Paying yourself in an LLC can be scary. You need to know how to pay yourself in the proper manner that won't get you in hot water when it comes to taxes. That is exactly what I am about to teach you. In this video, I'll get you over on how to pay yourself in a single member LLC and how to pay yourself in a multi-member LLC. But before that, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for more educational content like this one. Let's get into it. Whether you are running a single member or multi-member LLC, here are the general principles you should follow when paying yourself. Keep business and finances separate. Keep pass-through taxation in mind. Keeping your business and personal finances separate is easy. You just have to make sure you have a separate business bank account and separate business credit card. Make sure that you don't use your business money to pay your personal expenses and never use your personal finance to pay your business expenses. Pass-through taxation entails the direct transfer of all profits earned by the LLC to the individual tax returns of its members. Consequently, these members are required to pay self-employment income tax on the portion of the LLC's profits they receive. Members of the LLC should consider setting aside approximately 35% of their distributions to cover tax obligations. Any cash that is reinvested into the LLC within the same tax year will be subjected to taxation, regardless of whether it's retained in the business or distributed to members. Paying yourself in a single member LLC is easy. After calculating how much pay you are getting, simply transfer the money from your business account to your personal account. There are two ways this can be done. You can either write yourself a check or do a bank transfer from the business bank account to the personal bank account. When you are transfer the money from your business account to your personal account, you are ensured that you aren't using your business income to pay for personal expenses. If you use your business bank account to pay for personal expenses instead of transferring the money to a personal account, you will be commingling your finances and will be breaking the corporate wheel. It's extremely vital for you to keep records of all money transfers. This includes ensuring that proper receipts and documentations are kept on the record. In this way, you will be able to keep track of how you have paid yourself in the LLC in the event that concerns are brought up regarding commingling your finances. The first thing you must do when paying yourself in a multi-member LLC is by going through your LLC's operating agreement, which should outline how much each member is paid. In the operating agreement, you will be outlined what portion of the profits are reinvested back into the business and how much of profits are given to each member as a distribution. There are few ways to determine how much each member is paid. You can use guaranteed distribution. Give members distributions based on their stake in the company or the combination of the two. A guaranteed distribution is an agreed upon amount that is set and paid out to a member at a regular interval. LLC members cannot be employees and cannot take a salary, so guaranteed distribution serves as their salary. If you have a single member of an LLC who is working on it full time and other members are only just investors who are working full time elsewhere, you can give the members who spend more time working for their businesses a guaranteed distribution to compensate for the time they spent on the LLC. Paying members distribution based on the stake is dividing the profits based on the percentage of ownership. So, if you had 4 members with each member owning 25% of the business, then they will get 25% of the profit. Just like in a single member LLC, you simply need to transfer the money from the business bank account to each member's personal bank account. It's important that you affirm when you and how members are paid their distribution to avoid any confusion or conflict. If you are an LLC with S-Corp tax status, paying yourself is a little different. Unlike in a regular LLC, members in an S-Corp can be employees as well and take a salary and also receive distributions. When paying yourself in an LLC, always remember to keep your business and personal finances separate so that there are no concerns of co-mingling finance. In a single member LLC, pay yourself by either writing a check or transferring the money from your business bank account to your personal bank account. In a multiple member LLC, make sure that you pay your distributors using the agreed upon method and at the correct time as outlined in the operating agreement of your LLC. Multi-member LLCs should also pay their members by transferring the distribution from the business account to the personal account of the member. Give this video a like if you found it helpful and leave a comment if you have any doubts. Until next time.